Hi guys, today we have come here to practice English. Today I have got Arif here to practice. So let's get started. Arif, today why we have come here?
We have come here for practice English because long time we don't come here.
Yeah. So if we would like to practice English, we should come outside of our home. So that we can practice English. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. You can ask any question.
So what can we practice today?
We can practice. Actually, we have come in the outside. The environment is very good. So with this environment, especially you are watching behind us, it's a nice background. So we can talk about this background.
Okay. Behind us there is a huge building, right?
Yes, it's a very huge building.
And do you know the name of this building?
Yeah, I know about this building. It's Abbasiya Kamil Madrasa.
Yeah, it's a madrasa.
Yes.
That we have sometime we have come here every weeks we come here to practice English, and we can see lots of people here are here talking, walking, and doing something activities. Like we can see some people digging the pond with this machine, and they are maybe they are going to cultivate fish here, right?
Yeah, it's a public place. I will say it's a very public place. And if you watch here, there is a building here, but it's a third floor, right? But top of the floor, the background is very nice, and there are two rooms. It's to see beautiful, right?
Yeah. We can see lots of students are here. Maybe the madrasa is over. That's why the students are walking on the floor. And
Second floor or third floor?
Third floor. Some guys are working on to build up the mosque, right?
Yeah, we can look over there. You are watching. It's a very nice, beautiful mosque is preparing the people, right?
Yeah, they are going to build a huge mosque here. Maybe the function or the construction work was start very few months ago. When we come last, I didn't see any building, but right now we can see a building. A huge building is being constructed here.
Yeah, do you think it will be beautiful masjid after the Boro Masjid here?
Yeah, it will be a beautiful mosque, and it will be mind-blowing mosque for you. Everybody will come here and say their prayer, maybe.
Yeah, I went to inside the mosque before 1 week ago, and then I went there with my friend Sarif especially, and he made a video inside the mosque. So that was amazing, and after going there I saw, yeah, it will be huge, and it will be very a lots of people will pray together. Actually the mosque is very huge, what I will say. And over there
right now,
you are watching, there is a field.
Take a look. Right now we are practicing English, and lots of people are coming here to see what we are doing.
Yeah, that's why we have come here, because if you come like this kind of situation, this kind of public place, so I think our dear will be grow up, and we can speak English fluently. So we need that. That's
And
why.
if you come every time and practice English in front of the people, then we can learn a lot of things. And because we can speak English confidently, and the people are looking at us, and we can say whatever we like, and there is a lots of way to speak, lots of words come out while people in front of us. So we should practice every single day in front of the people. So
yes, of course.
This will be a real English.
Yeah. And I wanna talk something about this pond. You are watching. It's a huge pond, so we can talk about this pond.
Yeah, there is a big pond in front of the madrasa, and I don't know when it was dug. Maybe
It was awesome. Look like awesome, like a lake, right?
yeah. It's a big pond. I don't know when it was dug. Maybe when this madrasa was established, then it was dug for many purpose. And we have we can see that there is a Idgah, right?
Idgah field. Yeah,
Idgah
Idgah
field.
field. And the people pray Idgah Salah here, and we know it's a two Eid in our Islamic religion, especially Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Though Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, in that time the people pray here. So this is another thing, special things from Idgah field here.
Okay, right now we can stop our video because it's becoming long video, so we can stop here.
Yeah, we can talk something about the viewers and public. So you are watching that video. We are practicing English in the public place. So I have a request for you. We are making this video after long time hard working. So I need your valuable comment, especially your comment is very, very valuable, and you can hit the like button as well. Thank you so much. I will see you very soon, like this kind of video, this kind of event again. Allah Hafiz.